welcome to Science class with Miss Lauren and Madam Friska. Today, just like the last week, we have learned about life processes and we are going to see more about it. But first, before we start the class, please prepare a science workbook, your stationery, and don't forget, if we are having meeting or virtual meeting, please mute your device and turn on your camera. Okay, let's get started. How do humans and animals stay alive? So, in this slide, we have two pictures. The first one is the picture who is running. Yeah, the boy is running. And the next one, the pictures of an eagle. Yes, the eagle is catching fish to eat. So, by seeing these two pictures, we know that the first one, the boy is moving. Yeah, the boy is moving. So, the living things needs to move to maintain their life. And then, the next one, the eagle is catching fish to eat. Yes, living things need to eat to maintain their life. So, by seeing this, we know that living things need some life processes to keep they healthy, to keep them stay alive. Okay, well, but not only just two life processes, not only move and eat, they also need the 5 more life processes. Here you are. Living things need breathing, moving, growing, reproduction, nutrition, having sense, and then the last, having respond to changes around them. Let's see them one by one. Do living things breathe? Yes, living things need to breathe for almost all the time to stay alive. They will die if there is no air. Imagine a rat that is inside airtight container. Yes, the airtight container will block the air and then it makes rats out of the air or out of the oxygen. So it cannot breathe at all and will be die. Now let's see the next picture. That's a picture of a diver. What diver brings when they dive deep into the ocean? Yes, diver brings scuba set or breathing gas to help him breathe. Do living things move to get food and water? Yes, living things need to move to get food and water. Just like the pictures that you can see in this slide, eagles catch their prey by flying around and moving their claws. In these pictures, the eagle catch fishes. And then, in the next pictures, we can see that humans get food from the market or supermarket. So, when we want to eat, we need to move, we need to go to the supermarket to get our food. Animals need to hunt for their food and look for water to stay alive. Different animals eat different food to stay alive. Some animals are plant eaters, some are meat eaters, and some eat both plants and meat. Just like lion, it likes to eat meat. And then, just like cow, it likes to eat grass. Do living things sense and respond? Yes, living things use their sense to maintain stay alive. We as humans use our senses to stay alive, but most of the animals have much better senses than humans do. They use their senses to hunt or to escape when they are being hunted. Just like this short video, zebras use their sense of sight, hearing, and smell to help them escape from the predator. Do living things grow and reproduce? Yes, humans grow from a baby into an adult over time, and human may have babies of his own one day. Just like you can see in these pictures, a baby becomes child, and then teenager, and then adult. So you can see here, humans grow and get bigger and taller over time. Growing and reproducing are very important life processes. Having enough food to eat allows our body to grow and mature. Animals also grow and reproduce. They have offspring so that their species does not die out. Offspring are the young. A species means a family group of similar animals. Some animals, just like dogs, produce only a few offspring. These animals care for their offspring while they are growing up, until the offspring are mature enough to grow alone. Meanwhile, some other animals, just like fish, produce lots of offspring. Just like you can see in this short video, we can see 1,000 eggs of fish. These animals leave their offspring to grow up on their own. Similar with fish, frog also lays thousands of eggs each time. The offspring of a frog look completely different from each other. The offspring are called tadpoles. Let's see the life cycle of the frog. First, we have eggs, and then it will hatch and turn into tadpole. And then it becomes tadpole with legs. Then it will grow into frog with the tail, or we call it as froglet. And then after that, it will become adult frog, which are ready to reproduce thousands of eggs again. We have come to the summary of class. The first one, there are 7 life processes that all living things need to carry out. They are breathing, moving, growing, reproduction, nutrition, having sense, and response. The second one, all of the life processes are important to maintain living things alive. The third, animals have offspring so that their species does not die out. Offspring are the young, and a species means a family group of small animals. The fourth one, animals look after their offspring in different ways. Some take care of their offspring from the moment it's born until mature enough. For example, dog, fox. The other animals, just like fish, leave their offspring to grow up on their own. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching this video. And next, let's do the exercise.